I got you, homie.
Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey as we delve into the captivating success story of Ford, one of the most iconic automobile manufacturers in history. In this video, we will explore the early years, the rise to success, and the challenges that Ford faced along the way. From its humble beginnings to revolutionizing the automotive industry, Ford's story is a testament to innovation, perseverance, and a pioneering spirit that has shaped the world we live in today. Stick around to the end of the video where we will reveal 5 key takeaways and look to their future. This is the story of Ford. Despite the widespread belief that Henry Ford invented the car, it is important to clarify this misconception. While Ford is synonymous with automotive innovation, he did not actually invent the automobile itself. The credit for that achievement goes to Carl Benz, who created the first practical motor vehicle in 1886. Carl Benz went on to create Mercedes-Benz, but that's another story. However, Henry Ford's contributions to the automotive industry are undeniable and far-reaching. His impact lies in his revolutionary approach to manufacturing and his vision for making automobiles accessible to the masses. Born on July 30, 1863, on a farm in Greenfield Township, Michigan, Henry Ford grew up with a natural curiosity and affinity for machinery. He possessed a deep understanding of mechanical systems and spent much of his youth tinkering and experimenting with engines and machinery. Ford's fascination with automobiles began in the late 19th century when he encountered the few existing cars on the roads. He recognized their potential to transform transportation and improve the lives of everyday people. This realization fueled his determination to contribute to the development of the automobile industry. In 1903, at the age of 40, Henry Ford founded the Ford Motor Company. His primary goal was to produce reliable, efficient, and affordable cars for ordinary people. Ford wanted to make automobiles more than just a luxury for the wealthy elite. He aimed to make them a practical means of transportation accessible to the masses. Ford's innovative approach allowed the Ford Motor Company to produce cars at a much faster rate and offer them at a lower price. This breakthrough led to the creation of the Model T, introduced in 1908, which became an immense success. The Model T was reliable, easy to maintain, and affordable, making it the first truly mass-produced automobile. By the early 1920s, the Model T accounted for nearly half of all cars sold in the United States, with over 15 million units produced throughout its production span. This unprecedented success established Ford as a dominant force in the automotive market. To meet the overwhelming demand for the Model T, Ford introduced innovative manufacturing techniques. The implementation of the assembly line revolutionized production efficiency. By dividing the production process into smaller, specialized tasks, Ford reduced the time required to assemble a car from over 12 hours to just 93 minutes. In 1913, Ford's Highland Park factory in Michigan became the first automobile plant to implement a moving assembly line, allowing for unprecedented scale and efficiency. By 1914, Ford was producing more cars than all other automakers combined. Recognizing the potential for growth and diversification, Ford expanded its portfolio through strategic acquisitions. In 1922, Ford acquired the Lincoln Motor Company, a luxury automobile manufacturer. This acquisition allowed Ford to cater to a broader range of customers, offering both affordable vehicles and high-end luxury cars under the Lincoln brand. By entering the luxury segment, Ford solidified its position as a comprehensive automotive provider. In 1931, Ford further strengthened its position in the industry by acquiring the Briggs Manufacturing Company. This acquisition provided Ford with greater control over the production of automotive bodies, enhancing vertical integration and supply chain efficiency. With this increased control, Ford could streamline its manufacturing processes and improve the quality of its vehicles. Ford's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance was exemplified by the remarkable success of the Ford GT40 in the 1960s. From 1966 to 1969, the GT40 clinched victory in the prestigious 24 Hours of Le Mans race 4 years in a row. This feat not only showcased Ford's engineering prowess but also demonstrated the company's ability to compete with established European manufacturers on the global stage. The GT40's dominance in motorsports solidified Ford's reputation for performance and innovation. Internationally, Ford expanded its reach and formed strategic partnerships. As early as 1904, Ford vehicles were exported to Canada and the United Kingdom. The Model T's affordability and durability resonated with customers worldwide, and Ford vehicles gained popularity in various countries. Ford established manufacturing plants and sales networks in Europe, South America, and Asia to cater to these expanding markets. In Europe, Ford formed partnerships and joint ventures with renowned automakers, such as Ford Work AG in Germany and Ford of Britain, solidifying its position as a key player in the European automotive landscape. These international endeavors not only broadened Ford's customer base but also reinforced the company's reputation as a global automotive powerhouse. Ford's success is also evident in impressive sales figures. For example, the Ford F-150 has been the best-selling vehicle in the United States for decades. In fact, it has held the title of the best-selling pickup truck for over 40 years. Furthermore, the F-150's popularity extends globally, making it one of the most sold cars in the world. This remarkable achievement speaks to the F-150's durability, versatility, and widespread appeal. As environmental concerns grew, Ford embraced sustainability and pioneered the development of hybrid and electric vehicles. In 2004, the company introduced the Ford Escape Hybrid, the first hybrid SUV on the market. This groundbreaking vehicle set new standards for fuel efficiency and demonstrated Ford's commitment to eco-friendly transportation. Continuing its commitment to electrification, Ford introduced the Ford F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid in 2015, the first hybrid pickup truck on the market. This innovative vehicle combined the power and versatility of the F-150 with the fuel efficiency benefits of hybrid technology. In 2020, Ford made another significant stride towards a greener future with the introduction of the Mustang Mach-E, the first all-electric Mustang. This sleek and powerful electric SUV exemplified Ford's dedication to combining performance and sustainability in its vehicles. In 2022, Ford further solidified its position in the electric vehicle market by unveiling the all-electric Ford F-150 Lightning, the first all-electric full-size pickup truck on the market. With its impressive range, towing capabilities, and innovative features, the F-150 Lightning showcased Ford's commitment to electrification and its determination to lead the way in sustainable transportation. These milestones, along with Ford's strategic acquisitions, international success, and impressive sales figures, highlight the company's journey from the Model T to the present day, showcasing its enduring impact on the automotive industry. Throughout its history, Ford has encountered various challenges that have tested the company's resilience and ability to adapt. One of the major hurdles Ford has faced is fierce competition from other automakers. In the early 20th century, General Motors emerged as a formidable rival, vying for market share and customer loyalty. In more recent years, Ford has encountered competition from Japanese automakers like Toyota and Honda, who have introduced innovative vehicles and captured consumer interest. Another significant challenge for Ford has been navigating economic fluctuations. During periods of recession, such as the Great Depression in the 1930s and the 2008 financial crisis, the company experienced a decline in sales and financial difficulties. These economic downturns posed substantial obstacles for Ford, requiring strategic decision-making and cost-saving measures to weather the storm. Adapting to evolving consumer preferences has been crucial for Ford's success. Over the years, consumer preferences have shifted, particularly towards fuel-efficient cars and SUVs. To meet the demands of the market, Ford has made substantial investments in the development of hybrid and electric vehicles, as well as fuel-efficient models. This adaptation has been essential in staying relevant and maintaining customer loyalty in an ever-changing automotive landscape. Environmental concerns have also presented challenges for Ford. As the impact of greenhouse gas emissions became more prominent, Ford faced criticism for its environmental practices. The company has made efforts to reduce its carbon footprint and develop greener technologies, such as hybrid and electric vehicles. However, Ford has encountered criticism from environmental groups, highlighting the ongoing need for further progress in this area. Safety concerns have been another significant challenge for Ford. In the early 2000s, the company faced a series of recalls related to safety defects in some of its vehicles. These recalls not only damaged Ford's reputation for quality and reliability but also resulted in substantial financial losses. Addressing safety concerns and implementing stringent quality control measures has been a priority for Ford to regain consumer trust and ensure the safety of its customers. Despite these challenges, Ford has consistently demonstrated its ability to adapt, innovate, and overcome obstacles. Through strategic decision-making, investment in new technologies, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, Ford has navigated the complex and ever-changing automotive landscape, emerging as a resilient and influential player in the industry. Ford is committed to a future of sustainable transportation, and it has a number of ambitious plans in the works. Here are a few of the company's most notable future plans. Electrification. Ford is investing heavily in electric vehicles, with a goal of selling 2 million electric vehicles annually by 2026. The company has already released a number of successful electric vehicles, including the Mustang Mach-E and the F-150 Lightning. Ford plans to continue to expand its electric vehicle lineup in the coming years. Autonomous driving. Ford is also investing in autonomous driving technology. The company has partnered with Argo AI, a self-driving car company, to develop autonomous vehicles for commercial and consumer use. Ford plans to launch its first self-driving vehicle in 2023. Connectivity. Ford is also committed to connected vehicles. The company's vehicles are equipped with a variety of connected features, such as Wi-Fi, 4G LTE, and embedded navigation. Ford plans to continue to expand its connected vehicle offerings in the coming years. Sustainability. Ford is committed to sustainability, and it has a number of goals in place to reduce its environmental impact. The company plans to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. Ford is also working to reduce its use of plastics in its vehicles, and it plans to make all of its vehicles recyclable by 2035. These are just a few of Ford's future plans. The company is committed to a future of sustainable transportation, and it is investing heavily in new technologies to make that future a reality. So what can we learn from Ford's success? Here are 5 key takeaways. Innovation is key. Ford was a pioneer in the automotive industry, and its success is largely due to its willingness to innovate. The company introduced the moving assembly line, which revolutionized automobile production, and it also made significant investments in research and development. Ford's commitment to innovation has helped it to stay ahead of the competition and remain a major player in the global automotive industry. Focus on the customer. Ford understood that the customer is king, and it made the customer experience a top priority. The company's cars were affordable and reliable, and it also offered a variety of models to meet the needs of different customers. Ford's focus on the customer helped it to build a loyal following and achieve long-term success. Global expansion. Ford didn't just focus on the US market. It expanded its operations to other countries around the world, which helped it to reach a wider audience and grow its business. Ford's global expansion has been a key factor in its success. Sustainability. Ford is committed to sustainability, and it has made significant investments in developing more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly vehicles. The company is also working to reduce its environmental impact in other ways, such as by using recycled materials in its vehicles. Ford's commitment to sustainability is a sign of its long-term vision and its commitment to doing business in a responsible way. Adaptability. Ford has faced a number of challenges over the years, but it has always managed to adapt and overcome them. The company has been able to do this because it is willing to change and adapt to new market conditions. Ford's adaptability is a key reason why it has been so successful over the years. From its humble beginnings to its present-day endeavors, Ford's story is a testament to the power of innovation, determination, and adaptability. The company's revolutionary manufacturing techniques, iconic vehicles, and commitment to customer satisfaction have cemented its position as a global automotive leader. So, as we conclude this captivating journey, remember that Ford's success story is not just about cars. It's about the relentless pursuit of a vision, the willingness to disrupt industries, and the belief that ordinary individuals can accomplish extraordinary things. Thank you for joining us on this incredible ride through the story of Ford. The story continues,